Hey, my people, I greet you now. I don't come again, and today we will do very important topic. Very important topic. When I don't say our last video, we've been to talk about the things where you guys sabi to sabi read accounting information, all those many things. I've been talk about asset, liability, and the rest. Okay, today we go move forward. As you know, see this word, we go always dey move forward for this word, never going backward. Okay, now na double entry principle I dey talk about of accounting. I know say una go don dey hear this double entry principle well. I go dey clear the air on top this double entry principle. Wetin e mean? Okay, you see, for accounting, any transaction where person carry out, any transaction at all, gets two effects. Now, like double-edged sword, it get two effects, and this double entry principle they help us capture the two effects of the transaction. Now, wetin double entry principle they talk. Now, I know some una go don hear this thing for accounting before. For every debit entry, there must be a corresponding credit entry. Well, na wetin the double entry principle of accounting they talk with that. Now, I go use one scenario take explain that talk. Okay, before I give una my scenario, wetin be debit first? You know, debit is debit thing. Debit na anything where e be say money dey enter that thing, or where e be say that thing dey increase for value. Na debit be the word where they use associate with that kind increase. Na im be debit. Now wetin be credit? You go guess right now. Say na anything wey go make money comot from that thing, comot from that asset, comot from that business. You get? Na credit be that. So make una just put am for una head. Debit na things where they enter, where they add value, where they increase. Credit na things where they reduce, where they comot value, where they comot better things for your body. Na im be credit. Okay, now the scenario where the talk say I wan give. I be business, and my business na say I dey sell fish. As e be say I dey sell fish, I get people where they work for me, my employees, and these people I dey pay them salaries, I dey pay them wages. The people dem where they help me carry my fish from my pond go my office, the people dem wey dey carry the fish chook inside bowl, chook inside the car, come dey go distribute for my customers, I dey pay them salary and wages. Now wetin go happen if I pay one Mr. Enekpom wey be my employee salary? Wetin go happen? More na take watch how this double entry principle now go take play. If I pay Mr. Enekpom 200,000 naira as salary, wetin go happen be say e get two side effect. E get two effect. As I dey pay am 200,000 naira dey comot from my bank. You understand? The credit dey comot from my bank. The corresponding debit entry come dey go where? E come dey go where? Mona answer. E dey go my profit and loss account. E dey go my profit and loss account as expenses. Na the double entry principle be that. That na one scenario. Another scenario wey I go try use explain this double entry principle now. As e be say I dey sell fish, one Mr. Femi Alabi call my office say, my brother, I wan buy 50,000 naira fish. Him carry 50k, slap me for chest, say take 50,000 naira. Okay, wetin this thing go do? The thing go do be say, wetin go happen be say 50,000 naira go my bank, e go add value to my bank, increase my bank, and then na debit wey I don dey talk about. The corresponding entry be say that 50,000 naira go my sales, go the credit side of my sales. You understand? Na the double entry principle be that. As e dey knack for one side, e dey also knack for the other side. So this double entry principle dey help accounting show the real reality of things. Dey show the two sides of things. Na wetin double entry principle dey take to be that. Okay, now I don introduce una to double entry principle. I go further up on next videos, but for now make una try subscribe to our Facebook page our YouTube channel, Studying Pidgin. Make una like our videos and comment.